In this video, I'll guide you through how to pay in installments on Amazon. If you've ever found yourself eyeing a product on Amazon but hesitated because of the upfront costs, paying in installments might just be the solution you're looking for. Not only does this option make larger purchases more manageable, but it also allows you to enjoy your item while paying it off over time. Let's dive into the steps to easily set this up. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. This is where your shopping adventure begins. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a search bar prominently positioned at the top of the page. This is your gateway to millions of products. Go ahead and type in the name or description of the product you're interested in purchasing. Whether it's the latest gadget, a kitchen must-have, or a new piece of furniture, just enter it into the search bar and hit enter. Next, you'll be presented with a variety of options that match your search criteria. Take your time to browse through the results. When you find the exact product you want, click on it to open the product detail page. This page offers you a closer look at the product, including images, specifications, and reviews. It's always a good idea to read through the reviews to ensure the product meets your expectations. Once you're satisfied with your choice, look for the Buy Now button on the product page. Clicking this button will begin the checkout process. You're now one step closer to making that purchase. As you proceed to checkout, you'll arrive at the payment method selection screen. Here, you'll see a variety of payment options available to you. What you're looking for is an option that mentions payment plans or installments. Select this option to continue. This choice allows you to spread the cost of your purchase over a set period, making it more manageable financially. After you've selected the payment plan option, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking on Use this payment method. This step ensures that your order will be processed with the installment plan you've chosen. It's crucial to double-check this selection to avoid any unwanted surprises on your billing statement. Finally, with everything set, it's time to finalize your order. Click on the Place Your Order button to complete the transaction. And there you have it. Your order is now placed and you'll be paying for it in installments as per the plan you selected. Remember, paying in installments can be a great way to manage your finances while still enjoying the products you love. Always keep an eye on your payment schedule to ensure you stay on top of your payments. Happy shopping and enjoy the convenience of installment payments on Amazon.